Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna review a new trading software which is called GlobalCrypto app, and what this video will be about. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So that being said, let's dive in. All right. So we are inside the GlobalCrypto app landing page, and this is how this looks. It's what can we see on the first view? It's that here doesn't exist a video which a fancy video with some guy which is saying how cool this app is and how much money will make this app for you. For this point of view, this is a plus in my point of view. If we go any further, here is a button with a register free account, so you can register for free, and that's why you have to be to be careful when you register. I put the link below this video if you want to try this app and have a free registration, because as I told you in the previous videos, like what happened with Easy Trade app, it was hacked, and there is a easytradeapp.co website, fake website scam. This could happen also with this with any particular website, and that's why it's better to register from a trusted source. So I've put the link below this video in the description area for this software. And GCA limited edition offer, I don't know what that means. Register for a free and gain lifetime access. Dashboard, here it says GlobalCrypto app, it's time. Are you ready for financial freedom? Step into world and gain access to the most advanced social trading platform. The new crypto burst is emerging, do not miss this chance. And here how it looks inside. Of course I will register and I will show you how it looks inside this app, don't worry. And here are some features. It's newbie friendly, high-end success, top-notch analysts, regulated brokers. It have regulated brokers. I'll see inside what brokers will be. Fast asset movement, deposit and withdrawals are smooth and quick, something which we really see offered in the field. All device available, it's available also on tablet and phone. Support, there is a support, and I'll show you right now where the support, you can find the support email. And coloring, what is coloring? Some will say this is not important. Well, we as a professional traders know for a fact dark colors are a must for every trader, no matter if he is enthusiast or profit. That's why we have designed our app in dark colors. It's designed in dark colors. These are customers reviews, excellent support. This app it's launched for the public today, but it's launched I think in January, for 5 months ago. It's launched for a small group of people for to be tested, and now it's launched for everybody. And these are some reviews about excellent support work. I had a registration which has solved immediately by the technical support. And here it's a privacy policy which not as I showed you in the scam reviews, not every broker, not every scam website, we cannot find it on every scam. Here are the terms and conditions. This was GlobalCrypto app limited, and here is the support email. If you have comments and questions, you can write here on support are on globalcryptoapp.com. So this is the this is the new software. So I'll go ahead and register my account here, and I'll be back to you. I'll skip this step and I'll be back to you inside this software. Okay, all right, so we are inside the global crypto app dashboard after the sign up, and this is how this looks. It's looks pretty nice. It's dashboard, extension, profile. So this particular software, it's using also an extension and browser extension to work properly. So if you want to have the best signals, and if you want this to work, first thing first, you need to install the Chrome browser extension, and this we will be doing this in the next video. This we'll be doing, we're gonna, in the next video I will install the browser extension, and also I will make the first trades probably. So this is the video for today. This particular software, it's promising to be a profitable software, and this we will see in my next videos. So this is the video for today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Bye.